Hey guys, so today I'm going to be talking about a toothpaste brand called Hello. Now I'm pretty new to this toothpaste. I've been using it for maybe like 2 weeks now, but I have to say I am really liking it. This brand has a few different kinds of toothpaste in the collection, and I have the activated charcoal with fresh mint and coconut oil. So this is a fluoride-free toothpaste, and it's supposed to also be a whitening toothpaste. It's a unique little tube, not like the shape, but it's black, so I don't know, it's just kind of nice. I really like it. I also like the feel of it. It just seems very like modern, I guess, for a toothpaste. I don't know if that's like weird to say. I really like this toothpaste. I think that I have seen a slight difference in my teeth as far as whiteness. Not a lot, but like I said, it's only been 2 weeks, so maybe as I continue to progress, or as I continue to use it, it'll progress and my teeth will get even whiter. Even if not, I really like the feeling that I get from this toothpaste. My teeth just feel extremely clean. It really freshens my breath, and it stays that way for hours, as long as I don't eat, of course. So I don't know, it like depends. If you're the type of person that brushes your teeth first thing in the morning and then eats, then of course it's not gonna last a few hours. But if you like eat and get ready and then like brushing your teeth is like the last step, it's gonna like, it keeps my breath fresh and my mouth just feeling really clean through like until I eat lunch. But yeah, so this has no artificial sweeteners, no dyes, no sulfates or anything like that. It's all natural ingredients, which is really nice. So it also doesn't have like the baking soda and the things that are like that people sometimes use to whiten their teeth. That's just really, really harsh on your teeth. So yeah, that's one thing. The tube itself is 100% recyclable, and so is the box that it comes in. So yeah, it comes in a box, and it's just like a little cardboard box that it comes in. And yeah, the tube is also BPA free, which is really good to know. So if for like whatever reason you leave it in like a hot car or whatever for too long, you don't have to worry about like toxins being emitted from the plastic of the tube. It's not gonna happen. So this is a 4-ounce tube, so it's fairly, okay, cool. It's fairly small. However, it's not small enough to get through like TSA at the airport, so like just keep that in mind. They may let you sneak past it, but I don't know, I wouldn't really try it, because then they'd throw it away if they don't let it through. But yeah, anyways, we're going to take a look at the tube. Great Feely. I'm not really sure what that means, but so this is made in the USA. It's never tested on animals, which is great to know. I didn't open this up, so when I first bought it, I had to twist the cap open to get the little foil off, which I really like. Products have that, even though I like it because then I know that like I'm getting all the product and no one at the store tried like to use it or whatever. This did come in a sealed box too, so yeah, so just I guess like double protection. And then after you twist it open the first time and take the foil off, you never have to do that again because it has a little snap cap here. And yeah, it's you have to squeeze down pretty hard on it. So I like that just because then you're not gonna like get way too much product out, so you're not gonna waste it. I don't know if you can see, it is a black, you can kind of see it there, kind of started to come out. It's a black toothpaste. Because of the activated charcoal, it's black. But it is more gel-like, I will say, than like pasty, which I personally like. I don't like the stuff that's like really gritty and pasty. I like it when the texture is more like a gel, and so that's what this is, which was a little bit surprising to me just because of the coconut oil. I thought that it was going to have more of a gritty feel to it, but it doesn't, which is really, really nice. And I have this in the flavor Fresh Mint, and it's not super overpowering either. It's more, I would say the taste, like the flavor, is almost more of a spearmint. So it's a very light mint flavor that you get from it. It is really nice. I don't like super strong minty things. I will say I don't really taste coconut in the flavor. It's just mint. So if you don't like coconut, but you've always been interested in coconut oil because you've heard that it helps to whiten teeth, this is going to be a good option because you don't taste the coconut at all. It just tastes minty, or more like I said, like a spearmint, which is really nice. So yeah, I really like this toothpaste. I will likely continue to use it and just see how it continues to work as far as whitening my teeth. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video.